Hello, what's going on guys? I'm Joran. Today in a new video I show you my room because you have asked it for me a lot. This is my room and I think about it that it is a one room and a single room. And the walls are yellow and the ceiling is white. Behind the door there is my high school timetable and the poster of the origin of my name. On the left there are a cloth rack and on the right there are a board. Below the board there are a chair and a bag. And then this is my wardrobe and this is my clothes. Then this is my bed and under the bed there are some drawers. In the first drawer I have some things and games. In the second drawer I have some craft materials and the third drawer I have some size for my things. Under the drawer I have a pull-out bed where my friends go to sleep when stay in my house. This is my desk, and this is my laptop, and this is my rolling chair. Here I have all the pens. This is the curtains, and this is a window. Up here I have my blue lamp. At the bed I have some shelves. Here I have sheets and many boxes. Here I have a teddy bear, 2 books, some colognes and deodorants, and I have a lot of medals, and I have a swimming pool trophy too. Here I have many books. Here I sit and I put I watch TV in my big television. And this is my room. Please subscribe in my channel, give me a like and share this video with your friends. Bye until other video.